All right, from a speed standpoint, as we walk past the Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Illinois logo, that was a 100 marker. That tells them it's 100 feet until they get the turn. They're going to come into the turn. They're going to slow from, I don't know, probably pushing 100 on down. And then they get here to DuSable Lake Shore Drive. And this is where we've been told they're going to be as fast as they will go on this road. So there's our logo. But take a look at this shot. This is like the coolest thing perhaps in the history of ever. All right, that's some hyperbole, but this is pretty cool. That is Field Museum. So you talk about iconic Chicago views, but you've never had a view like this before, because this is DuSable Lake Shore Drive, and it is 99.5% empty, save for that service truck right over there.